Well, how to make $100 online fast by receiving a free random stocks. Yes, this is the topic about today's video. I'm going to show you how it is easy to get a free stock. This is a like stock market stocks. Yes, this is a free random stocks you can get, and you can make up to not only $100, it's beyond it, but it's on your luck. But surely that is not required any investment, it's a free money, so why not try that? So simply I'm going to show you how to do that. You may heard it already or not, but I'm going to show you the site without wasting any of your time. The site is Robinhood.com. Yes, this is Robinhood.com. You heard it already. This is a very popular site, but right now it's going through a really good way, and good, solid, stable way, and legit way that people can earn a decent amount of money by trading stocks. But if you don't know anything, you just simply participate it and you learn more things about trading, right? So this is a really good opportunity, but this is a really investment platform. So this is, I'm not an investment expert. A disclaimer is I'm not a financial advisor as well, so I'm not recommending anyone to anywhere investing any money. That is your decisions. I'm not an expert, so responsibility is yours. I'm not responsible for anyone's money. So this is it, guys. You just simply go there. If you want to try it out, there's the free, no money required for to register here. So registration is for free, and you can see that commission free investing plus the tools you need to put your money in motions. Sign up and get your first stock for free. So this is the terms, and certain limitations and fees also may apply, but this is the options. They are right now promoting it to get free stocks. So simply hit the sign up button and complete the simple form fill up, and you're good to go to get the free stocks they are suggesting. But there are some catch here. If you are new in this Robinhood website, it's a free stocks online app that you can handle on your phone. That is the easiest part of it. You do not need to go anywhere. You do not need to go to stock markets to learn more about it. And also the benefit is invest in thousands of stocks with as little as $1. This is the catch here. So they bring in the stock market in a lowest amount of price that people can afford to invest. So $1 anyone can afford to invest and try it how they perform in their stock market trading. So why not try that? You can just go through some analytics, you can learn more about any financial advisor or recommended by them. You can buy stocks if they recommend that. That is your goal, that is your thing. You learn it, you apply it, and you earn money online. But we are right now emphasizing on it. This is the very important part, that they are promoting it and they are giving you free stocks without investing. So this is it, guys. You just simply hit the sign up button. If I just go over to their help center sections, I can see that they have a frequently asked questions about how does it works on opening account and getting free stocks. So how does it works? Well, add 1 share of free stocks to your account when you link your bank account and fulfill the conditions in your promotions. So they have some conditions there, and what it requires is you have to add your bank account to Robinhood, and that's it. You are going to get your first free stocks, and you will be able to keep the stocks or sell it after 2 trading days. So this is it, guys. You have to link your bank account, and you after 2 days of time you have to keep and hold that stocks, and after 2 days of time you can able to hold it or sell it. It's up to you. So this is the free stocks, and noted that make sure to link your bank account in order to earn your free stocks. This is the #1 recommendations. For more informations, if you don't know how to link your bank account, you can click here to learn more about it. but how does Robinhood choose which stocks I get? So that is the part that is required. That is the part where we are here to earn $100. So the shares of free stocks are chosen randomly from their inventory of settled shares, because the shares are chosen randomly. So you may receive the same stocks as others, but or not. It's up to you. It's up to your luck. So the value of the share at the time of purchase may be anywhere between $3 to $225. So imagine how this is it. So market always fluctuates, market always move up and down. So they are going to give you any random share, any random stocks that is priced between $3 to $225. So they have chosen from the most popular and highest total value based on the price of each share companies on Robinhood. They choose any companies on that. So keep in mind there are approximately like 98% chance of the stocks that you will get a bonus having a value of like $2.5 to $10. So this is very important. So if you are lucky, you can get $225, or on average people are getting you can get like $100. So this is why I make this, that it's a free fast way to make $100. If you'll try, if you're lucky, you will make that money. So this is the way free stocks price between $3 to $225. So if you just go through there and all the other conditions met, that is the catch here. You have to link your bank account there, and that's it. You will get your free stocks. So if there is one condition, that you have to go through the promotion link where it says that free stocks will be available, and you can search it on Google like random free stocks on Google, and you will find many various blogs and sites related to promoting these offers right now, and you just go through any of the site links and you will get your the sign up link to get your free shares as well. Also, I think according to their statement, if you just sign up and get your first stocks here, their statement there, if you just click on sign up here, you will get your free stocks as well. But it's up to you. I prefer to go through some people's affiliate link, so that you can, if there's an assurance that you will get that free stocks, and that's it. So they also require that amount, and that is that you simply link your bank account to there, and you have some amount on your bank account as well, so that you can invest here. You can invest as little as $1. So why not try that? So it's a very good opportunity to make like $100 fast if you have not made any money online yet. So this is the catch here. Also, I recommend another website I can recommend, which is called Etoro.com. Is also a really good social investment platform that is really awesome to learn trading, learn and copy trading, and earn a decent amount of money. You can just go through any of the sites, and you can learn more about the sites by going through all the menus and options, and you can see that they have a copy trade options as well. So this is a really good way. They also have a minimum investment, and so you can try your luck. I'm not an investment advisor, I'm not a financial advisor as well, so I'm not recommending anyone to invest anyone. I do not know about much more about investing, but you can try these Etoro copy trading things, and you can just go through, and you will see many traders who are profiting, and you can follow any professional trader for free and earn a decent amount of money from your investment. So this is a second platform which is also very good and very popular on internet. But right now Robinhood is the way it is. You can get free stocks. I don't know how far this offer will end up, how it or go, but it's right now. You just log in, you just sign up, you add your bank account, and boom, you get a free stocks between $3 to $225. So on average, the chances like you get $100 fast for free in this website, in this app. So this is it, guys. If you like using this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos daily. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.